I'm going to show you how to use the GMath add-on to Google Docs to insert a graph in your lab report. So go up to the add-ons menu and go down to Get Add-ons and click it. And you're going to open up a window where you can search for add-ons. And in the search bar, type GMath and hit enter. And here's the GMath add-on, which is a way that you can add graphs and mathematical equations into documents. So click on Free. It's going to ask you to approve GMath interacting with your Google Docs. So wait for that button to turn blue and say Allow, and then click Allow. And now if you go to Add-ons, you have the GMath add-on in the menu of add-ons. So go over to Create a Graph and click on that. And when you do, you'll get this window opening over here. The first time you use it, it's going to ask you to tell it if you're a student or a teacher, and go ahead and enter some information about your school and your grade. It's just a survey they're taking so they can tell who's using the add-ons. And then I'm going to go in the function box and I'm going to clear that because I don't want it to graph that function. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. It says optional features. If you'd like to plot a series of points, enter them in the form. You use that interesting bracket and then what's your X value and what's your Y value, and then close that bracket and then a comma and then your next point. So let's say that I had a point that is 1, 1, and then a comma, and then a point that is 2, 3, and then a comma, and then a point that is 3, 5. And that's what I'm going to use. And then scroll back up. And in this area, you're going to tell it what your minimum and maximum is on the x-axis and your minimum and maximum is on the y-axis. So I'm going to make my x minimum 0 and my y minimum 0, and then I'm going to click on Preview. And it's going to show me in a window here what that looks like. And if I like it, then I can go ahead and insert it in the document. And when I do, I'm going to get a picture of that graph, which is an image that now you can move around the way you would move any image around in a document. So see if you can do that to put your graphs in your lab reports.